You're welcome to another segment of your informative and educative channel. This is Lady J channel, where we teach ourselves the healing that we can receive from nature. If you are joining my channel for the first time, you are in the right place. My numerous subscribers, I really appreciate you. You are wonderful. Today, I'll be talking about hemorrhoid. Some call it pie. But there is this mistake that is always happening when people are complaining about backache or back pain and pie. The two are different. Yes. When you are talking about back pain, you are talking about discomfort in your bones or in your muscles. That is back pain or back ache. But while you are talking about pie, hemorrhoid, you are talking about swelling in the vein of the rectum or anus. You can see that there is difference. Rectum or anus. Sometimes you feel the pain at the lower parts of your waist. You find it difficult to sit down. You find it difficult to use the toilet. Anytime you want to use the toilet, you'll be feeling somehow the pains will be there. Then number two, your anus will be giving you some signs as if it's swelling up, as if it's moving. You'll be feeling the movement. Yes, that is when pie is much on your body, and it will give you some pain at the lower parts of your body, not like body pains. So that is the difference between the body pain and pie, hemorrhoid. More also, mind what you eat and mind what you drink. Notice anytime you eat something and you feel that sign, you can change it to another thing. There is an alternative for it. Instead of you continue and complaining of pie or back pain. So today, I'll be bringing to us the nature we can use when we have pie, hemorrhoid. I have done it in my previous video, and this is another nature that you can still use. It's just two. I'm bringing two, and this is egbo, ayin. Yoruba call it egbo, ayin. Egbo means roots. What you call roots, what you call seed, what you call leaf, you just cut it away, you throw it away. Keep it and tune in to Lady J channel so that you can know what's that root, what you can use it for, what it can cure. Yes. So this is egbo ayin. We are going to use it to treat pie, hemorrhoid. More also, we are going to use our camphor. Yoruba call it kafura pelebe. Camphor, the flat camphor. Yes, we have to type the round one and the flat one. So this is the flat one. How are we going to use the two together? Get egbo ayin. If you need it, you can simply get in touch. Yes. Get egbo ayin, then your flat camphor. How are you going to use the two together? It's very simple. Get a bottle of water, 1 liter or 2 liters of water. You are going to cut this into smaller particles, into smaller pieces rather. You cut it into pieces and put it inside that 2 liter or 1 liter of water. Then 3 of these tablets of camphor, the flat camphor, you need 3 of it. Then you soak it together. Allow it to stay for 3 days. Yes. Allow it to stay for just 3 days. Your flat camphor, just 3, with 2 bottles, with 2 liters or 1 liter of water, and soak it with this root called egbo ayin. That is what that pie is waiting for. Waiting for what? Waiting for egbo ayin and flat camphor. Soak it together. Allow it to stay for just 3 days. After that 3 days, you are good to go. For children, just give them 2 tablespoons in the morning without taking anything. 2 tablespoons, especially our children that love sugary things. Yes, 2 tablespoons in the morning, you give it to them. For adults, at least 5 tablespoons. 5 tablespoons. You can put it in the cup to measure it. Make sure it is 5 tablespoons for adults, 2 tablespoons for children. Yes, that is what that pie is waiting for. This is another episode on pie. You can check my previous videos. You are going to see a lot of natures that you can use for pie. You know, different natures with different healings. You can use one nature to treat so many ailments. So this is another nature that you can use to treat pie. Yes. So if you need any of our products, is available. Body pain cream is available. Body pain soap is available. Teething soap for children is available. Anal spooling soap is available. Just simply get in touch with any of our products that you need. Then we'll discuss and send it to you. So, what are you waiting for? Like my page, share my page, subscribe to my page. Press your notification button so that anytime I upload my video, you will be the first person to watch my video. Till then, stay blessed.